Assalamu alaikum to one and all. I am your maths teacher and our today's topic is bigger and smaller number. So let's get started with the topic. First one, using symbols to show smaller and bigger number. So these are the symbols, two symbols to show whether the number is bigger than or smaller than, that is greater than or smaller than. We use these two signs to show the number greater or smaller number. Next question is, say which number is bigger and which number is smaller. One table is given over here in which two columns are there, smaller number column and the bigger number column. So two numbers are given. What you people have to do is you have to identify between these two numbers. You have to identify between these two numbers that which number is a smaller number and which number is greater number among the two. So first two numbers are given over here. We will say it. 8 and 2. Two numbers are given. You all know that 2 is smaller than 8. So write 2 in this column, in the smaller number column. You have to write 2 in the smaller number column over here. Here you have to write 2. Next, in the bigger number column you have to write 8 because 8 is bigger than 2. So write 8 over here in this table. Got it? Next is 77 and 59. So you know 59 is smaller than 77. So write 59 in the smaller number column. Write 59 over here. And write 77 in the bigger number column. Write 77 over there. Likewise, the next number. The next number is 39 and 9. So 9 is smaller than 39. So write 9 in the smaller number column and write 39 in the bigger number column. Okay, got it? Next one. Next one is 14 and 35. So 14 is smaller than 35. So write 14 in the smaller number column and write 35 in the bigger number column. Next. Next is 67 and 32. As you all know that 32 is smaller than 67. So write 32 in smaller number column and write 67 in the bigger number column. Finished? So likewise in this way you have to solve the bigger number and smaller number. That is, first you have to identify whether between the two numbers which number is smaller and bigger, and accordingly you have to write in the columns. Now we will going to see the next question using the symbols. Using these two symbols, this one and this one. Greater than symbol and the smaller than symbol. So here is written 5 and this sign is given in between and the next number is written as 2. So how you will read this number? 5 is greater than 2. You will write it in this manner. 5 is bigger than 2. The next number is 2 and this sign is given over here in between and 5. How you will read it as? 2 is smaller than 5. Now next, see, look here. What is this? This is a crocodile mouth. This is a crocodile with the opening mouth. This one are the two crocodiles with the opening mouth. Okay. So this crocodile always want to eat bigger numbers. This crocodile always want to eat bigger numbers, so his mouth always faces towards the bigger number. So his mouth always faces towards the bigger number. His mouth always faces towards the bigger number. You can see these two numbers over here, 27, okay, and next is 40. See the mouth. The crocodile mouth is facing towards the bigger number. The 40 is bigger than 27, no. So his mouth is facing towards the bigger number. Okay, now next one here, 91 and 49. Again his mouth is facing towards the bigger number. 91 is bigger than 49. So again his mouth is facing towards this bigger number. So this is how the crocodile's mouth is always facing towards the bigger number. So it is the sign of greater than. It is the greater than sign. It is the greater than sign. Now let's see the signs. Look here. The next, how you will read it as this one. 27 is smaller than 40 and 91 is greater than 49. In this way you have to read it. Why you will read it as 27 is smaller than 40? Because this pointed end of the sign, this pointed end of the sign is towards the smaller number, towards the smaller number 27. Always remember that when we read the number, we always start it from the left side. That is from this side to this side. That is from this side to this side. For example, I am taking these two numbers, okay, 27 and 14. So you know 27 is greater than 14. So you will read it as 27 is greater than 14. Okay. Always remember that we read from left to right. That is from this side to this side, the number. From this side to this side. We will read it from left side to the right side. Also remember that the pointed end of the sign is always towards the smaller number. Okay. Now we will see the next question. The next question is, write the correct symbol in the boxes. Now here two numbers are given. You have to put the correct symbol in the boxes. Okay. You have to put the correct symbols in the boxes. So, for example, one example has been solved for us. 10 is greater than 9. How you will read it as? 10 is greater than 9. Why you will read it as 10 is greater than 9? Because the opening of the mouth always faces towards the greater number. The opening of the mouth always faces towards the greater number. The crocodiles always want to eat the greater number. Remember that. Next one. 9 box 10. Now you have to put the correct sign, correct symbol. So what you will write over here is, what is the numbers given? 9 box 10. Okay. So how you will write it as? 9 is this sign will come over here because you will read the number in this manner from left to right. So you will write 9 is smaller than 10. 9 is smaller than 10. So here in this box this sign will come. 9 is smaller than 10. Write it. Next. 5 and 3. Two numbers are given. So you will write over here is 5 is greater than 3. Because 5 is greater than 3. So opening of the mouth. So this sign will come over here. Because the mouth is open towards the greater number. So write here. 5 is greater than 3. Next. Next is 3 and 5. Now what you will write here is 3 is smaller than 5. Why? Because the pointed end, this pointed end of the sign always faces towards the smaller number. This pointed end of the sign. So you have to write like this. 3 is smaller than 5 in this box. Okay. Next is 50 and 49. So you will write 50 is greater than 49. This sign will come because opening of the mouth always faces towards the greater number. Remember that. Always remember that. Keep in mind. Next is 49 and 50. So now which sign will come? 49 is smaller than 50. Write in this box. 49 is smaller than 50. Why smaller than 50? Pointed end always faces towards the smaller number. Okay. Next, 23 and 25. So 23 is smaller than 25. Right here in this box. Next is 73 and 75. So 73 is smaller than 75. Right in this box. 73 is smaller than 75. Next. What is the next one? 500 and 499. So 500 is greater than 499. 500 is greater than 499. So this sign will come, opening of the mouth. Okay, next one. Did you understand? Did you understood what I am teaching? Next one. Next one is 499 and 500. Again, 499 is smaller than 500. You are getting how the signs are changing according to the numbers. 499 is smaller number, so pointed end will come, this pointed end, and the greater number, because the opening of the mouth always faces towards this greater number. Remember that. Next one is 500 and 300. So 500 is greater than 300. Opening of the mouth. Remember that. 300. Okay. So this sign will come. Next is 600 and 400. So 600 is greater than 400. So this sign will come over here. Okay. Did you get it? Understood? How we have to apply the signs according to the numbers. How we have to identify whether the number is greater or smaller. Accordingly, we have to put up the signs over in the boxes. Okay, so now for today we have studied the signs of smaller than and greater than numbers. How to apply it, how to read the numbers with signs, how to apply it accordingly. We have seen it today. So that's all for today. And now you have to do this homework at home. What is the first question? Look over here. Write before and after number 233, 164 and 536. These three numbers are given and the boxes are given. Accordingly, you have to write the before number and after number. Before 223, what comes you have to write in this box. Before 164, what comes you have to write in this box. And before 536, what comes you have to write in the boxes accordingly. And what is the next question is write the correct symbols in the boxes. These are the signs given over here. You have to write the signs accordingly. How you will write greater than and smaller than sign. Okay, this is the homework for you, so you have to solve it at home. And please do practice maths at home regularly, childrens. This is very important for you, because the more you practice maths, you will become better and better in it. So it's very important. Do practice math at home, and please do revise your tables also. Do not forget to revise your tables. Do revise tables. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.